The things you'll do for a picture.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Thanks for joining us. Today we are shooting with Abbey. Peter's got a little setup with a constant light and some mirrors and is thinking outside the box, and you don't have to just use a light, you can do magical things. So this is just chopped up of an editorial that we've done for Inspire using one light to make it look like it's lots of lights. So if you want to see the full tutorial, you can head over to Inspire, but for now we'll just kind of run you through a condensed
Just a chopped up version. Yeah.
Condensed version of that.
So I want to do some stuff with bouncing light off mirrors. I've based it very, very loosely on this picture of Candace, but I'm not trying to copy this picture. I just like the way that there's a couple of different shadows and that falling. So we've taken a couple of just rough, quick test shots. Mainly it was about styling, so I wasn't a big fan of our first styling, so we've just gone a little bit briefer with the undies. I haven't fine-tuned any more lights yet. They're roughly set up. I'm using my Sony today. I've gone back to my old workhorse 70-200. Before I shot Hasselblad, a lot of my shoots were on the Canon with the 70-200. It's one of my favorite setups, especially for shooting in fashion, because I can just zoom in, zoom out, autofocus, everything's really quick. I don't have to think about camera. I can just concentrate on the model and my angles. I'm tethered into Image Edge, which is Sony's free software, which is freaking awesome. I'm liking it more and more that I use it. Right this minute, I've got the Razr 7 HMI on, constant light, and that's shining onto two mirrors over here, and I've got another plate mirror here, and I have got another mirror sitting there if I'm going to add that later on. One of the things I'm going to do is I've got water I want to be spraying on the mirrors to mottle the light coming off the mirrors a little bit more. So when I'm saying get my angles of light right, you'll see if we just have Abbey in shot. So you'll see as I bring that in, see how it changes the feel on the shadow. The next thing is if I just rotate this light, see how it changes. So now it's bringing this light in stronger, which I'm actually really liking this a lot. See how I can just move this around a little bit, or I can do it this way. And then, in fact, that's actually getting really nice. So it allows me to really, really fine tune a lot of the overall appearance just by turning this. I'm just going to spray some water on the mirrors, and I'm going to do the background ones first. So just try and, by me putting, you'll see up on the mirrors, this just makes the reflection, it breaks the reflection up a little bit more. I'm just going to shoot a little bit and see what I'm going to get. Cool, that's really pretty, that's really pretty. And just get into a beautiful flow. Cool. I'm going to shoot slow because I've noticed if I shoot too quick, you go more into photo mode. Don't think, feel. Cool, 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 that's better, that's better. I'm tempted to try one more light. I did it before, there it is. So what I'm thinking, is what I want to do is have a light coming on her from above as well. That's cool, that's cool. That's really cool. Awesome. Cool, work it. So your job now is nail it. Feel like it should be on the cover. Punch onto the toes a bit more. That's better. Nice, beautiful eyes. Cutting with those eyes. Yeah, play with your hair. You always do good shots playing with your hair. Cool, that's really pretty, that's really pretty. There's a couple of things you're doing a bit, and I'd rather you didn't do them. These are what I'm thinking you should be doing. So see where a lot with the arms are. Like, it's all right to do some like this, but a lot more of them are just hanging more low, but it needs to feel good for you. Yeah. Because I'm finding you're doing a little bit too much, elbows out wide or hands on hips. Yeah. See, that's annoying me. Yeah, so anything from any in this area, I'm not going to use because they're not looking, you're ending up swimmer armsy.
Yeah, it's not soft.
It's not soft. Well, I don't want you double thinking, that's the only thing.
No, I need to see.
And the other thing is if you think about, if you go back more just who you are every day, you don't walk around like this and, right? Does that make sense? You're not doing all of those movements. Yeah. So as soon as you start doing a lot of movements, your brain's already saying photo shoot. And your best photos will always be who you really are when I'm not taking the photo, like there. But you're doing fine, but the better you get, the more I'm gonna push it, so you just gotta get used to this. You keep going, I'm gonna change my direction now. So once I get a model into what I say zone, I then am going to be, cool, that's really pretty. I'm going to be changing my angles. Cool, that's really pretty. Cool, it's this reset. So whenever you play with your hair and look down a bit and come out, the first couple of pictures are the best. So it's that, not every frame can be the frame. You're better off to get your own head in and then come out, because that last picture was absolutely beautiful. Whenever I give you a minute reset and come out, I'm going to get a great picture. And I'd rather slow our shoots down, that's how we shoot you, because I don't care how we get the great picture. So we're twisted up a little bit. We've changed the styling, just like this. Put the shorts on, we've taken the bra off. And then do a few shoots here, and then we're gonna wet her hair a bit and then wet her a little bit to get that shimmer off her skin. I've moved the light slightly just to make it a little bit more intense. So what I'm talking about is you'll see that there's more flood there, and that's brought the shadows stronger to there. So I've gone for a little bit more into the strength of the shadows. That's nice, that's really nice, cool. Cool, that's really pretty. Cool, cool. That's really pretty. I hope they're looking that pretty through the... Oh yeah, they're absolutely beautiful. You've definitely nailed one shot. They are stunning. Really, really cool. And just do a couple more of that. I'm going to shoot portrait. Oh my God, what's Peter doing?
How are you doing?
Well, I don't have enough room to go. I can do square, so if I go portrait, I can always... And I'm trying to get... Cool, that's really pretty. That's so pretty. What I'm trying to do is I want to be shooting at 200, so that's why I've gone back. I want to get all of Abbey in, and the reason I've gone portrait is because I want to... That's really pretty. Can't help it. I still like landscape. That's pretty. That's really pretty. What are you laughing at? I had no choice. I can't stand on the curvy bits, but I want to be at full length, and I want to be shooting along the wall, and I want to be at full zoom. It's pretty. That's stunning. That's stunning. So pretty. Just do a couple more, and then maybe sneak backwards. I'm just watching the light on your face, so keep just slowly moving back. There, cool. Stunning, beautiful. So what I've done, instead of having an intense light on her, I've modeled, this is so pretty. Cool, this is really pretty. So I'm at a full zoom in at 200. I've got this beautiful model light. Just sneak to me the tiniest amount. Just come to me a little bit. There. I just want to get just the edge of that reflection, just hitting her every now and then. That's really pretty. Beautiful. Lean forward again, just in there. See how you can just feel that little bit of light hit you? So go down that way a little bit. Right, now lean in until you just feel that little bit of light sort of touch your face. There. Beautiful. That's really pretty. That's stunning. Lean in a little bit closer to the wall. Get closer to the wall. It just, the light turns up on your face when you do that. If you drop your elbow down a little bit, now you don't have to cover your boob. Cool, that's really pretty. That's so pretty. I like that cup of the hands. Stunning, stunning, stunning. We have definitely nailed some stunning pictures in that lot. See, every shot's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, much prefer that.
Much prefer that. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet her hair first. What I'm doing with the water, and normally I'd have a hair and makeup artist or Beck doing this, but I don't have either here. I don't want to saturate it, otherwise it goes like just dripping wet. I'm trying to get the very tips of her hair, and see how careful I am that I'm not touching her. And I just basically I'm just trying to get the tips wetter than the rest. See how it instantly does that, holds the tips together but leaves the rest of the hair a little bit fluffy. So I'm just trying to soak the tips of the hair, and this is warm water, but when you put it through an aerosol can, it comes out freezing cold. It's a thing I do to get goosebumps up on hair, skin, because it evaporates, so you don't end up with, you'll see how we've got this really nice shimmery wet, but the hair's not soaking. See, it's still, and that's because it's evaporating nearly as quick as it hits, because the water in here is really hot. Stunning, stunning. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Well, that is a bit pretty. I don't want to spray with any more water. I'm loving the hair, but I want some more shim out of the body. So this is just what I use as a banana boat sunscreen. And the reason I use this is because if it's too much, it's just one wipe of a hand to take it off. Can you cover yourself properly, both hands? All right, throw your head over and shake it and throw it back. Now throw it back, now start posing. Cool, that's better. That's really cool. Against the wall, yeah, that's it. That little bit of a nice walk, that really worked with you. That's gorgeous. That shape is really nice. Lifting of the front leg. And what you'll notice now, see how this little bit of shimmer is really, really working. I need a little bit more on her arm and collarbone, but that little edge I did on the side of her is definitely giving me the look I want. So I'm just doing around the arm so I can make sure some part of it's going to get hit. Just that collarbone. Do you want to lift your arm up again? And I'm just going to do that hip line. I think I've taken it too far, but then if I have, Abbey can just give it one wipe of a hand and it'll come back more natural. Oh no, I haven't. That's awesome. Cool. I like that shape. That lifting of the knee is giving you amazing shape. Gorgeous, as pretty as. That is really, really cool. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. That nice. Like give you, because it's putting a nice curve in your back. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Give your head a shake. No, don't throw your head back. Look at me. Now shake your head. Now come and give me a pose there. There, there, there. That's beautiful. These are really pretty. That's really pretty. Stunning, 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 stunning. I'm just going to shoot down along those walls and do a couple like that. And then we've got it, I reckon. You know those dark ones you liked? Go backwards a little bit. Nice, that's really pretty. Reset again. Then come back when you're ready. Drop into the wall. There, there, there. Whenever you're ready. There, there, there. First couple of frames always. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We're done. I don't even have to look at the computer. She's nailed it. So yeah, as I just said, these are awesome. Just a pretty shot doesn't do it for me anymore. I want more depth into a shot than just being super pretty. I want an emotion in the shot too, and these are so pretty.
So we hope you enjoyed that. If you did and you want to watch the full thing, you can head over to Inspire, or if you want, I'll pop up some other lighting tutorials on the screen now.